Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an Amazon account on your mobile device. First of all, go to your App Store or Play Store depending upon your mobile device and download the Amazon app. And once the app is downloaded, open it. And right over there, you can see an option named Sign In. And just below the option, you can see an option in blue named Create an Account. Tap on it. Then enter your name, your mobile number or email address. And once you have entered your email address, create a password for your Amazon account. And remember one thing, the password must be minimum 6 characters. So enter a password, then tap verify email. And it will send a OTP, which is one-time password, to your email address. So check your mail and enter the OTP. And once you've entered your OTP, tap create an Amazon account. And there you have it. You have successfully created an Amazon account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.